Assalamualaikum dear students. We have another example on the deterministic finite automata. So what is that example? Let me write over here. Example. Construct a DFA deterministic finite automata that accepts any strings or A and B that contains the string double A double B in it. Okay, so that is the basic question, how we can construct DFA based on the condition that is double A double B from the set of A and B. So let's see how we can prepare finite automata. So we know already in the answer section we have the input language L1. Let's see, right? That is A comma B. Already we know from the set of A and B from the question. So let's see how we can prepare the deterministic finite automata from the given condition. So first of all, we have to draw the initial. Sorry. That is the initial means starting. This is, let's see, 1, right? Then we have state 2, right? So the condition is that there should be double A, right, and double B, right? So that is the condition, except with other relevant condition that it accepts any kind of string, but there must be double A and double B in the acceptance of query of different languages. Okay, so 1, 2, so this is A, fine. Next we have to go towards 3, right? This is again A, right? Then we have 4, right? We have B, right? Next we have 5, okay. So this is the final state, as we can see from the given condition, right? So we have almost done, right? So it accepts double A double B, right? This is A and this is B. This is the initial state and this is the final state, right? Now if the user for example give other than this format double A and double B, like for example the user also say 3 times A, right? So how we can handle it? So over here we cannot handle, right, from this expression, from this finite automata, right? So it is more good, so if we can put over here the loop, right, and we say this is for A only, A generation. Okay, this is also good. Other than this, for example, the user want start with the B. So here if we see, so it does not accept B with the start, right? So to cover up this thing, so we can easily do loop over here and mention the B. Okay. Other than this, for example, the user say B A B, like, okay, like B A B, right, and the rest of this condition again, okay, because we have to reach the final as well. Okay, So if I see over here, so B, A, right? So we cannot again get the B according to this. So what will I do? I will connect the transition state 2 back to initial state, right? Into this I will say this is B. Okay, so it also fulfill the requirement, right? uh, After this, for example, I am saying B, A, 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 B, and then I say A, and then I say B. So according to this format, it will not fulfill this requirement for by this for another to meta. So what will I have to do? I have to do very easily connect this 4 with the 2, right, and say this is A. Okay. One most important thing, there's also a possibility like the user say 2 times B, right, and 1 time A, and so on. So to cover up this thing at the end, so usually we know in the regular expression we put uh, star egg, A plus B star egg. So over here we mention as a loop A, comma, and B, right? So through this example, we can handle any kind of string by different user, right? So this is one of the example. All right, we have another question. Some example. Okay, we have a set of A comma B, right, that does not contain the string A, B, B, and H. Okay, so this is the thing. So if we see to the pattern of this question, so this is totally opposite to the above example. So how we can do this? By some mechanism we have. So the answer is this: we have to give in different form. We can do by flipping these threads. Which threads? Which I mentioned the above example, right? So let me first finish the steps, then I will show how we can do. Make the final state into non-final state. How we will do, I will show you later. Second, make the non-final state into final state. Okay. So this is the format according to the condition given in this example, right? So let's come to here. Keep in mind this figure, I will just invert to them. So what is the modification in this figure? The modification in this figure, let me show you by yellow color. Okay, so I will change this non-final state to final state, this two. So this one, okay, this one also final state, this one also, right, and this one only the single one, okay, mean the initial one we can say also, and this one also, right. So the rest of condition mean the transition values, this one, this one, this one, and these transition values among different states. These will be the same one, right? So let's go. How could be the final version of this? Let me draw very quickly. Initial state, okay. As we know, but here we have to go convert it. This one, this one, okay. So this is one, let's see, 1, right? Then we have 2, 1, and this is 2, right? So make a transition. Okay, this is A, right? Same for here. C, is the final state, and the transition over here, this is the A, if we know from the previous question pattern. This is D. Sorry, it could be 1, 2, 3, and you can see C, D. It's up to you. C, D, and over here, this was the final at the previous example, so this would be the initial one, right? So this is the initial. Okay, this is A, comma, B, fine. This is B, based on condition, is also B, okay. And D to 2, right, back, so this is A, fine, and B 2 to A, back, right, so this is B, right, and this is B, right, and over here if we have a loop for A. So if we see to the pattern of this example, so it does not accept any kind of string which is given by user, because we do not have the reverse state over here, like E will not go back because we do not have any kind of back arrows. It is coming from this way, right? So this is why we cannot go if I reverse this one, final to initial, because it's not acceptable. Like I give an example, one that is the ATM machine, right? So we can do we can just do a little bit modification, like to withdraw the money, right? So usually here we cannot deposit the money, right? So this is one of the example over here. So hopefully you have understand how we can construct a DFA from regular expression of or from some English statements. So thank you, students. See you in next lecture. Assalamu alaikum.